Do you suffer from sleep disturbances? Have you considered the effect that your electronic device screens may have on your sleep disorder? If so, this video is for you. We'll discuss the impact of blue light from screens on our bodies and provide tips for making sure your device time doesn't interfere with your sleep. In this video, we will explore the effect of electronic device use on sleep disorder and how to manage it. Sleep disorder is a common health problem that affects millions of people each year. It can have serious consequences for physical and mental health. Electronic devices, such as phones, tablets, and computers, are increasingly prevalent in households around the world. While these devices provide convenience and entertainment, they can also have a negative impact on sleep quality. This video will explain how electronic device use can affect sleep quality, what measures can be taken to reduce its impact, and how overuse of these devices can impact overall health. We will also discuss the effects of blue light on melatonin production and how to encourage healthy habits before bedtime that don't involve digital technology. Sleep disorder, or insomnia, is defined as difficulty falling or staying asleep. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including physical or mental health issues, stress, lifestyle habits, and environmental factors. Insomnia has serious implications for overall health and well-being and can lead to fatigue, memory impairment, mood disturbances, and impaired performance. It is important to take measures to ensure good sleep hygiene and seek medical advice if symptoms persist. Electronic devices are devices that use electricity to carry out their functions. This includes items like mobile phones, televisions, tablets, computers, and video game consoles. These devices are increasingly common in everyday life, and many people use them throughout the day and even before bedtime. While they may be helpful in some ways, they can also have a negative effect on sleep if used too close to bedtime due to the blue light they emit. Therefore, it is important to be aware of the impact that these devices can have on sleep quality and adjust usage accordingly. Studies have shown that using electronic devices, such as phones and tablets, before bed can have a significant effect on sleep quality. Those who use EDs for more than 30 minutes before bed report poorer sleep quality than those who do not. This could be due to the bright light from the screens that may increase alertness and interfere with deep sleep and make it less restorative. In addition, the blue light emitted by electronic devices may also interfere with melatonin production, resulting in irregular sleep patterns and reduced sleep duration. Therefore, it is important to encourage reading or other activities before bedtime and to avoid digital technology use in the hour before bedtime. Furthermore, it is recommended to avoid TVs in the bedroom to ensure that your sleep is not disrupted. Reading before bedtime can be a great way to help your child or teenager get a good night's sleep. Reading helps to relax the mind, which can make it easier to fall asleep. It also encourages the release of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep. Additionally, reading can help build vocabulary and comprehension skills, which can benefit your child's academic performance. Try encouraging your child to read before bedtime rather than using electronic devices such as phones or tablets. If they are not interested in reading, suggest other activities such as drawing, playing a musical instrument, or listening to calming music. It is important to avoid digital technology use in the hour before bedtime in order to improve sleep quality. Studies have shown that using electronic devices, such as cell phones, computers, and other blue light-emitting devices in the hours leading up to bedtime can negatively affect when children and teenagers fall asleep and how well they sleep. Experts at Sutter Health advise against using these devices before bed due to their impact on our natural sleep patterns. Additionally, research has found a link between smartphone use and poor sleep quality because of text messages, phone calls, and exposure to blue light. The blue light from cell phone screens can restrain the production of melatonin, which controls the sleep-wake cycle. Therefore, it is best practice to avoid digital technology use in the hour before bedtime in order to ensure better quality sleep. TVs can be a major source of distraction in the bedroom and can interfere with getting a good night's sleep. Studies have shown that TV use can lead to delayed bedtimes and wake-up times, as well as reduced sleep duration. To get a better night's rest, it's important to try to avoid watching TV before bedtime. This means turning off the TV at least an hour before you plan on going to sleep and removing it from the bedroom if possible. Doing this can help you establish a healthy sleep routine and ensure that you get enough quality rest each night. Blue light has a unique effect on melatonin production, which is why it's so important to take steps to reduce its negative impact on sleep. Studies have shown that blue light-emitting electronic devices can suppress the natural production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating our circadian rhythms and preparing us for sleep. This is why it's so important to avoid using these devices in the hour before bedtime and to limit blue light exposure from all sources. Reducing blue light exposure can help promote better sleep and overall health. The use of electronic devices in excess has been linked to a number of health-related issues. Prolonged screen time can lead to poor sleep quality, as the blue light emitted by screens can suppress melatonin production and disrupt the sleep-wake cycle. It can also lead to mental health issues, such as depression, anxiety, and behavioral problems. Additionally, it has been linked to obesity due to inactivity and increased snacking while using devices. Lastly, overuse of electronic devices can lead to physical issues such as eye strain, headaches, and neck and back pain. Therefore, it is important for people to be aware of the potential health effects of excessive device use and take steps to ensure they are not overusing their devices. In conclusion, it is evident from the research that electronic device use can have a detrimental effect on sleep quality. It is important for patients to be aware of the impact of digital technology on sleep, so they can make informed decisions about their screen time habits. To ensure good sleep quality and reduce the risk of developing sleep disorders, patients should avoid using digital devices in the hour before bedtime and should opt for activities like reading instead. Additionally, they should avoid having TVs in their bedrooms and be mindful of blue light exposure when using digital devices at night. Moreover, overuse of digital devices can have serious physical and psychological effects such as headaches and visual problems. Therefore, patients should practice moderation when using digital devices.